Master the SAT reading test. Strategies and tips. Hello everyone. Welcome to this tutorial. Today we're diving into an important component of the SAT test, the reading test. This section measures your ability to understand and interpret what you read. Don't worry if you're feeling a bit unsure. We'll break down everything you need to know to excel in this part of the test. The reading test is a part of the evidence-based reading and writing section of the SAT. It's the first part of the test, designed to gauge your reading comprehension skills across a wide range of texts. You'll have 65 minutes to answer 52 multiple-choice questions that are based on 5 passages or pairs of passages. These passages can cover a variety of topics like literature, historical documents, social sciences, and natural sciences. The crucial part here is, all answers are in the passages. That means this is not a test of your outside knowledge but your ability to understand and analyze the provided texts. In the SAT reading test, you will encounter 4 types of questions. 1. Vocabulary and context. These questions ask you to identify the meaning of words in the context of the passage. 2. Command of evidence. These questions ask you first to identify a statement that reflects a particular detail or overall understanding of the passage, then to select the piece of text that best supports this statement. 3. Information and ideas. These questions test your comprehension of the passage, focusing on details, inferences, and main ideas. 4. Synthesis. These questions involve analyzing paired passages and drawing conclusions or comparisons between them. Understanding these question types and the skills they test can help you create an effective strategy for tackling the reading test. Here are a few strategies to help you maximize your performance. 1. Active reading. Instead of passively reading the text, engage with it. Take brief notes, underline key points, or circle unfamiliar words. 2. Manage your time. The SAT reading test is timed, so it's crucial to manage your time effectively. Aim to spend about 12 to 15 minutes per passage. 3. Answer every question. There is no penalty for guessing on the SAT, so make sure you attempt every question. 4. Use process of elimination. If you're not sure about the answer, try to eliminate the options that you're sure are incorrect. This strategy can help you narrow down your choices. Mastering the SAT reading test may seem challenging, but with a clear understanding of its structure and some effective strategies, you can do it. Remember, practice is key. Take full advantage of practice tests to become comfortable with the question formats and time constraints. We hope this video has helped clarify what to expect and how to prepare for the SAT reading test. Good luck with your preparation, and remember, you've got this.